We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not responding to taps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a concerning and worrying problem because you're trying to go and use your iPhone, make a call or do something else on it, and you're unable to. We're going to guide you through how you can try fixing this. Make sure it's this full guide as we're explaining different things you can try doing. Don't skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this. So for the first way, it can just go and be a software problem and it's got stuck or it's gone unresponsive. So what we can try doing is a forced restart. This means we can restart the iPhone without using the screen with a button combination. So what you want to do is go and press the volume increase, then the decrease, and then you go and tap and hold the side button. That needs to be done quickly and consecutively. Let's do it now. Volume increase, decrease, and you then tap and hold the side button. Now go and keep that held down. Depending upon the nature of the problem, the screen may go and remain the same, or you may go and see the slider part off screen, but just keep it held down. You're only going to go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon. It shouldn't be much longer, it now is, and then you release it. Now the iPhone is going to go and start, and hopefully when it comes back on, the problem will then go and be resolved. We're going to go and test that now. If that doesn't go and solve it, then the next thing we're going to try doing is putting the iPhone into recovery mode. Now we've got a full guide on this. It's quite similar to doing a forced restart. Essentially, you plug it into a computer and then you press the volume increase, decrease, and then you just tap and hold the side button until it enters recovery mode. And then if you're on a Mac, you go into Finder and you can go and find your iPhone, or on a Windows computer, you use the Apple Devices app. And there you can go and you can try updating it to go and see if that can solve it. Or you can try doing a restore and you can go and factory reset it. Of course, data you haven't backed up will go and be lost, but that may be able to go and solve it. If that still doesn't, it may go and be a hardware problem where it's actually a problem with the screen itself and you'll need to go and take it to Apple to go and get repaired. But hopefully one of the other methods have solved the problem for you.